Before we start, remember this. Money doesn't disappear. It just moves, usually away from people who don't respect it.
Relax. Money is meant to be spent.
That sentence has ruined more lives than bad decisions.
Without me, life would be boring. Trips, gadgets, luxury, lifestyle.
No, because of you, people don't live rich. They just look rich.
At least they enjoy life.
Enjoyment funded by debt is called stress. Why do your biggest fans say, "I don't know where my money goes"?
Inflation. Everything is expensive.
No, your habits are expensive. Your income is just trying to survive.
People deserve a good lifestyle.
Deserve it, or borrow confidence to fake it.
Without me, nobody buys homes, cars, or dreams.
And because of you, nobody sleeps peacefully either.
I give rewards, cash back, points.
You give $50 back after charging $500 in interest. If people were smarter, debt wouldn't be their biggest monthly bill. I wait to be earned. You beg to be used. I build assets. You build lifestyle.
So, am I the problem?
No, you're powerful. In disciplined hands, you're a tool. In emotional hands, you're a trap.
Still, people love me more than you.
Of course, people love shortcuts. They just don't love where shortcuts take them. Subscribe to Money Cartel. Not because I asked, because it finally made sense.